This machine saved my business. I need machine to cover everything. The SABERjet was, to me, best machine in the market. We got the machine delivered in beginning of November 2019. And since that time, this machine is done very well. It's helped me a lot. Because it was an amazing machine in the market. That's no question. Accuracy of the cuts, speed, labor. That's the main thing. Beginning of pandemic, I used to have many guys in the shop. Suddenly they quit. They quit because of pandemic or something else, you know, the market right now. To have 3 big contracts, and mostly they use high quality material like Lapitec. Lapitec is one of the hardest material in the market, and Decton and porcelain. This machine saved my business. I did all my contract in time and ahead with this machine with couple guys only. The SABERjet was, to me, like a miracle to help me with this situation. That's the main part. You came to the main part. They are amazing with service. Anytime when you call, even if weekend, you have somebody to answer your questions. And you have any parts, you have problem, they're gonna help you. Monday, you're gonna have the parts overnight shipped next day. When you buy utilities like this, equipment like this, you have to make sure you have somebody behind you to support you for anything happens. That means your investment on your money is safe. SABERjet, soon I installed in my shop. Within a month, completely changed the business and make me feel safe. If I got any contract I can sign, I'm not going to be afraid because I have behind me one of the amazing machine. Trust, quality, and customer service. That's the main thing. When you invest, you have to know where you invest your money.